Okay, so I am back with my football cards and we are going to do part 2. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so first up we have Joe Flacco, Baltimore, and so next we got Lorenzo Tully or something like that, right there. And the lighting might not be so good in this video, because it's dark outside, and I don't know why I decided to do my video today, but, CJ Mosley. Michael Campanaro, right there. Then we got Bernard Pierce. And next up, Steve Smith. Alright. Oh yeah. And my other Joe Flacco. Okay. Alright. So next for the Rams we got Steven Jackson, Laval Pinkney, whatever, Trey Mason, Tony Banks, Chris Long, Sam Bradford, Zach something like that, James Laurinaitis, and moving on. So now we got the Jets. Then we got Todd Boyd, Curtis Martin, Jace Amaro, whatever, Bilal Powell, Sean Green, Calvin Pryor, Jeremy Curley, Rob Moore, and Vinny Testaver, I don't know, and Dallas Cowboys. Now we got a Dallas Cowboys card. Next up, Michael Irvin, Emmitt Smith, Tommy Aggie, Larry Brown, Terrence Newman, Sherman Williams, Ed Harvey, and Troy Aikman. Moving on. Ooh. Got the Brandon Cooks rookie. Yeah. Next up, Drew Brees and McLester, I don't know, McLester or something. Who is this odd person? And it is again Ricky Jackson, Lance Moore, John Jenkins, Pat Swilling, Jimmy Graham, Dalton Hillard. Alright, moving on. Who do we got next? For the Cleveland Browns, we got Jamal White, Barkevius Mingo, Johnny Manziel, Mike Johnson, Joe Hayden, another Joe Hayden, Eric Metcalf, Braylon Edwards, and another Braylon Edwards. Moving on, Patriots. Tom Brady season ticket, Julian Edelman season ticket, Vince Wilfork, Darrelle Revis, Dion Branch, and Ty Law. Austin Surfin Jenkins, Doug Martin. Oh yeah, Buccaneers. Who is this odd person? Carlos Miller, Kellen Winslow, Steve Christie, Eric Grant, Adrian Claiborne, Mike James, and Warren Sapp. Tampa Bay. Alright, next up for the Chiefs. Excuse me. We got Alex Smith, we got Derek Thomas, Saffatav, D'Anthony Thomas, Larry Johnson, Eric Berry, Jamal Charles, rookie card, Tracy Simon, D'Anthony Thomas, and JJ Burden. Alright, moving on. Who do we got next? Alright, next up we got the Washington Redskins. Got the Washington Redskins card. Ooh, one of my favorites. RG3. Boom. Okay, Rob RG3, Michael Westbrook, Gus Briarte, Art Monk, Ricky Sanders, Bobby Wilson, Ernest Biner, and Perry Garpin. Alright. Next up for the Atlanta Falcons, Matt Ryan, Julio Jones, Devontae Freeman, Steven Jackson, Sean Weatherspoon, John Ray, Brian Banks, Troy Bierman, and Ricky Sanders. Alright, next up for the Lions, we got Calvin Johnson, John Kitna, Jim Arnold, Andre Ware, Karan Reed, Dan Owen, Brandon Pettigrew, Chris Stillman, Jeff Campbell. Next up for the Bears, we got Alshon Jeffrey, Anthony Morgan, Matt Forte, Jay Cutler, Stan Thomas, Mark Bradley, Matt Forte, and the same exact Matt Forte. Next up, Jaguars. We got Blaine Gabbert, another Blaine Gabbert, Marquise Lee, Cecil Short, Allen Robinson, Tony Boselli, Brylon Leftwich, and Marquise Lee. Alright, for the 49ers, Colin Kaepernick and the coach George Seifert, Brandon Doman, 1,000-yard club, Roger Craig, 1990 Pro Bowl, John Taylor. Alright, next up for the Steelers, I got the Steelers team card, Antonio Brown, Bam Morris, Montavis Bryant, McFadden, Le'Veon Bell, Adrian Cooper, and David Little. And for the Raiders, I got franchise Darren McFadden, Jeff Hostler, Napoleon Hoffman, Demetrius Davis or something, Sam Brady, Maxine Landetta, and next up for the New York Giants, Jason Pierre-Paul, Antonio Pierce, Odell Beckham Jr., and you know, all you guys want to see Odell Beckham Jr. So there it is. Odell Beckham Jr. Okay. Stevie Brown, Victor Cruz, and Pepper Johnson. Next up for the Chargers, Antonio Gates, Freddie Jones, Terrell Fletcher again, Jason Verrett, Tevin Reese, Malcolm Floyd, and Stanley Richard. Okay, next up for the Cardinals, Carson Palmer, Ty Howard, Ryan Lindley, Kevin Hunter, Randall Hill, Mike Plummer, Anquan Bolden, Tim Roseback, and John Skelton. Okay, next up, Irving Spike, Pete Mitchell, Season Ticket, Brian Hartline, Future Franchise, Ryan Tannehill, Richmond Webb, Keith Sims, and 1990 Pro Bowl, John Ofdelson, Charles Clay, and Dante. Okay, last one is the Chargers. And excuse me, not Chargers, but Cincinnati Bengals. First up, AJ Green, Jim Breed, Thomas Bailey, Jeremy Hill, Pajana Carter, Eric Wilson, Brandon Thompson, Michael Johnson, Alfred Williams, and bonus cards. Where's your bonus cards, right? Marquise Lee, season ticket. Larry Fitzgerald, season ticket. Matthew Stafford, season ticket. Matt Ryan, season ticket. Tavon Austin, season ticket. Andre Johnson, season ticket. Antonio Brown, season ticket. And Demarius Thomas, Peyton Manning, all in one card. And congratulations, Broncos, you won the Super Bowl. I really hope you didn't, but you did. And last video, I promised I would have my dog. So guess what? I have my dog. Alright, here's Doggy. No! He's a small little puppy. Actually, I'll show him next video when I have better lighting. But thanks for watching.